Hello my students, how are you? Group 2. Today we'll solve model number 8 from الدقهلية government. Okay, first term this year 2026. This question, choose the correct answer. The solution set of the equation square root of 2 times x equal 4 and r equal. We can find solution here by dividing by root 2 first. Look at here, we have square root of 2 product by x equal 4. We can divide it by coefficient of x, then x equal 4 over root 2. You must sum this expression. Okay, we can times here by root 2 numerator and numerator to sum this fraction. Okay, because the numerator here irrational, you must convert to irrational to rational number by product by root 2. Then 4 root 2 over root 2 times root 2 equal 2, then 4 divided by 2 equal 2, then the answer will be 4 root 2. Then the solution set would be 2 root 2 in the brackets. Choose letter B. Next question. The derivative inverse of this expression, you must change the sign of first and second. It will be negative square root of 6 plus 1. We call it a derivative inverse. Change two signs. The terminal x power 2 subtract x subtract 14 can be factorized. In B may be equal. Okay, he asked about B. We can factorize example here. X power 2 subtract by px subtract by 14. We know two numbers here, 14 product two numbers, it will be what? Ask it yourself, what is the numbers here product with them equal 14? We can write 7 times 2 or 14 times 1. 14 times 1 equal 14 and 2 times 7 equal 14, and we won't find the difference. If we write 7 and 2, the difference between them equal 5. Then B here we must write 5. Okay, write 5 here, and if you write 14 and 1, the difference between them equals 13. We haven't 13, so the result will be 5. What about negative 5? If write here x power 2, negative 5 times the negative here, it will be negative 5 times negative 1, it will be positive 5x minus 14. And then you can factorize x power 2 equal x times x, 2 times 7 equal 14, and the sign here of 7 lies in the middle and it will be negative. Then the value of b will be negative 5. It's true. b equal negative 5. Understood? Again, 14 here reverse 2 is the product between two numbers. The product between two numbers equal 14, and the difference between them equal p. 14 it will be 2 times 7 or 14 times 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. Then the value of b will be 5 or negative 5. Okay, choose negative 5 here. Letter C. Next question. You want to find x plus y over x times y. First step, you must find the value of y. Look at here. We have y equal 2 over x. 2 over x. The value of x, it will be root 7 plus root 5. And then product by root 7 minus root 5. Root 7 minus root 5. Then the value of y equal, right, 2 over 2 here, product by root 7 minus root 5 in numerator and numerator, first by first and second by second. Root 7 times root 7 7, and root 5 times root 5 5. 7 minus 5 2, cancel with this, so the result will be root 7 minus root 5. We have x and y. Now we can add x and y. The value of x plus value of y. The value of x was root 7 plus root 5, and 8 to y, root 7 minus root 5, they are conjugate. We can cancel together, the result will be 2 root 7. Now we can product x times y. X here was root 7 plus root 5, product by root 7 minus root 5. They are conjugate. The product between them, first by first and second by second, the product between them equal 2. Then the value of this expression, x plus y over x times y, equal x plus y equal 2 root 7 over 2. 2 divided by 2 1, then the result will be root 7. The simplest will be root 7. Okay, next question. In the polygon here, he won't find the value of k. K here, look at that we have two congruent polygons here. The value of measure k will be opposite like this. They are equivalent in the measure. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. We called it quadrat. The quadrat has 4 angles. Some of them equal 360. The value of k equal what? We can write 60 plus 120 plus 90 subtracted from 360, because the measure of angle C equivalent to measure of angle G. They are corresponding angles, are equal in the measure. Then the value of measure k here, we can find k will be equal 360 subtracted by the sum of interior angle 120 plus 90 and also 60. Right, 360 subtracted by 0 here, 6 plus 9, 15 plus 2, 17, 7, and carry up 1, and then find the difference. 16 minus 7 equal 9. Then the result will be 90 degree. The measure of angle K equal 90 degree. Next question. If 3 power x equal 5, 3 power y equals 7. What is the value of 3 power x plus y? We can use here distributive properties about 3 power x and 3 power y. Alright, the value of 3 power x is 5 and 3 power y is 7. 5 times 7 is 35. And the answer here will be 35. Next question, number 3. The arithmetic mean of 5 values is 12. Then the series sum will be what? We know the arithmetic mean refers to x bar equals the sum of all numbers divided the numbers of elements. Okay, then x bar was 5. The arithmetic mean was 5, and we want to find the sum. The sum of all elements divided the number of elements. We have 5 values. Then 5 times 5 is 25. Then their sum equal 5 times 5, 25. Understood? Because 25 divided. No, it's 12. The arithmetic mean, sorry, 12. 12 times 5 is 60. Again, in this example, he gave me arithmetic mean 5 values is 12. 12 here is the arithmetic mean. Sum of all values we don't know. And the number of values 5. What's the number divided by 5 equal 12? It will be 60. Then the sum will be 60. Next question. Look at this question. This example, he won't find parameter about colored part. He give me this information: xy equals 6 centimeter, and xy is a mid segment, and see it will be twice xy. It will be 12 centimeter. Also, he give me the example xc was 9, then cm third of 9 6 centimeter. Em, we can find it. He give me my4, then em will be twice my, it will be 8 centimeter. xy 6, then ec it will be 12. Okay, listen to me about the steps. First step, we can write in triangle. First the proof here. We must prove first m is the centroid point. Okay, he give me x and y are midpoints respectively. We can raise this line in the information about proof. Okay, first we can write in triangle ABC such that x and y. Okay, right first line, x and y are midpoints of AB and BC respectively. Then XY is a mid segment. We called it mid segment. XY is a mid segment. Then XY, it will be half of AC. Okay, what is the length of AC? AC here was where AC? XY half of AC. Okay, he don't need this. XY, he give me XY. Yes, XY 6. And we can find AC. Then AC, it will be 12 centimeter because XY was 6 centimeter. Then AC equal 12 centimeter here. And next, we can write such that AY and CX are medians. We called it medians, and such that two medians intersection at one point. AY intersection with CX at the point M. Then M is the centroid point. We have centroid point here. Then we can find the length of my or am. Am will be twice my. You know, he gave me the example my was 4. Then 2 times 4 equal 8 centimeter. And also we can find the length of cm. He gave me the information here about xc 9. Okay, relation between cm and xc. Look at here. cm will be 2 parts and xc 3 parts. 2 over 3 product by the length of xc. xc was what? The length of xc was 9. Product by 9. Then 9 divided by 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. It will be 6 centimeter cm. Then the parameter we can collect 6 plus 8 length of am, and the length of ec was 12. We found it 12. Okay, 12 plus 8 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. And the parameter will be 26 centimeter. Next question. Next question here shows the correct answer. The length of two sides of this triangle are 5 and 11. In the length of the third, we can find the length of the third. How? Look at here the steps. The length must be belonging to open interval. We can find the difference between 11 and 5. 11 minus 5 equals 6, and 11 plus 5 equals 16. Then the length may be 5 or 11. Which correct? 11 lies here, but 5 not belonging to. Then the third sides here will be 11 centimeter, because he tell me it's isosceles triangle. It's meaning we have two sides equal lengths. We have 11, and the third will be 5. Then we must choose 11. The answer here 11. Next question, number 2. Number of sides of convex polygon with 7 diagonals is. Okay, we have 7 diagonals. We know the rule here. The number of diagonals equal n times n minus 3 divided by 2. This is the rule to find the number of diagonal. Number of diagonal equal n times n minus 3 over 2. He gave me the information. The number of diagonals will be 7. Then 7 equal n product by n minus 3 over 2. And then solve this equation. 2 times 7 equal 14. Product, and 14 equal n times n minus 3. We know 14 equal 3 times 4. 2 times 7, sorry, 2 times 7 equal 40. 2 times 7 equal 14. He asked about n. Okay, we can solve the equation here. 7 times 2. Right here, 14 equal n times n power 2 minus 3n. And then factorize n power 2 minus 3n minus 14 equals 0. Okay, listen to me. My students, we have wrong this question. It must be 5, not 7. Okay, change the question from 7 here to be 5 diagonals. We have 5 because we can't solve the example. Stop now. Okay, then you can write here the number of diagonal was 5, not 7. Then 5 equal n times n minus 3 over 2. Okay, change this number from 7 to 5. Okay, change 7 to 5. Then 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 times n minus 3. Then we can write n equal 5 product by 2. Then the number of sides, it will be 5. Then it will be pentagon. The pentagon has 5 diagonals and 5 sides. It's the same about number of sides and number of diagonals. Okay, change the number to 5. Wrong number about copy. Okay, next question. It's about 3 plus 27. We can factorize the expression. You want this example find the value of k. You can tell me the value of k. Yes, k here equals 3 times x by change the sign. It will be negative 3x. It should determine why, because if we want to factorize expression x power 3 plus 27, we can draw small brackets and greater brackets. Cubic root of the first and x power 2, and cubic root of 27 equals 3. 3 power 2 is 9, and the middle first times second, and rate change the sign. Then the value of k equal negative 3x. Choose letter B. Next question here. With the number in the simplest form, we have 2 power 2n plus 1. Look at here. 2 power. Look at with me. 2 power 2n plus 1 product by 5 product by 2n plus 1 over 10 will be 2 times 5. And then we can distribute the power here 2n and here 2n. Next, you can write the base 2 and the base 5 behind it to simplify it. 2 here, look at the power 2n plus 1 and down subtract by 2n. And 5, write 2n plus 1 subtract by 2n here. And then write 2, we can simplify it, it will be 2 power 1 product by 5 power cancel also, it will be 5 power 1. It will be 2 times 5 equal 10. Then the simplest form, it will be 10 about this example. Next question. Look at here, factorize perfectly about the example. We have y power 3, x power 3, y, subtract by x, y power 3. We can write x, y had common factor between two terms. X power 3 divide x to be x power 2, y divided by y1. Negative x divide x1, y power 3 divide y, it will be y power 2. And then we can factorize expression with x power 2 equal x times x and negative and positive, and here y and y. Next question number 2. We have x power 2 minus y power 2 plus 4x subtract by 4y. We have 4 terms. We can write expression, factorize this x times x power 2, negative y plus y, and here we can write a height common factor between them. Here write 4 height common factor between two terms, okay, then x minus y, and then x minus y was repeated, then divided this expression by x minus y, it will be x plus y, this expression divided by x minus y, it will be 4. Then we have x minus y times x plus y plus 4. Next question. In this example, find that this isosceles triangle ABD, we want to prove this triangle is isosceles. Okay, first step we have to straight line here parallel. Okay, you want to prove this triangle is isosceles. It's meaning what we can find about this angle from the first triangle. This triangle we have the sum of interior angle equal 180. We can find the measure of this angle DBC. 180 subtract from 82 plus 60. Then we can write in triangle. We have first we can find this angle first. Okay, in triangle CDB such that measure of angle DBC it's equal to 180 subtract by the sum of interior angles. Interior angles here 82 and 60. We can write 180 subtract by 82 plus 60, 0 plus 2 equal 2, 8 plus 6 equal 14. 10 minus 2 equal 8 and 7 minus 4 equal 3. The result will be 38 degree. In the measure of angle here 38 degree. Now we have A here is parallel to CP and we have DB transversal of them. Okay, understood. We have alternating angles. This angle is 30, this angle also 38. We call that alternate angle because DB DA parallel to CB and DB transversal of them. Okay, it's transversal of them. Then measure of angle ADB will be equal to measure of angle DBC equal 38 degree. Okay, so we have in this triangle two angles in the base equivalent. Then in triangle ADB, in this triangle measure of angle ABD equal to measure of angle ADB. They are equivalent equal 38 degree. Then this triangle will be isosceles. Then DA equal to AB. Then this triangle it will be what? It will be isosceles. In this triangle we called it isosceles triangle. Okay, this opposite figure he wants to prove that ABCD is parallelogram. Give me two triangles here. We can prove that two triangles are congruent because EC equal length of FA and CD equal AP, and the measure of angle here 90 degree. It's the fifth condition about hypotenuse and adjacent side of this triangle. Okay, we can prove first these triangles, two triangles are congruent. If we prove that triangle congruent, then the measure of angle D will be equal measure of angle of B. We called it alternate angles. Then BC will be parallel to AB. Also AB equal DC. They are equivalent the lengths and parallel. And ABCD will be parallelogram because we prove that AB equal to DC. He gave me this information, and also AB parallel to DC. Okay, if you prove that two sides opposite and equal in length, parallel and equal in length, then this figure we called it parallelogram. We have 5 conditions of parallelogram. Each two opposite sides are equal in lengths, or you can prove that each two opposite sides parallel, or two diagonals bisect each other. But in this example, he give me DC parallel to AP, so you must prove that DC equal to AB. Houses we can prove that by congruent between two triangles. Okay, so first step, right, in two triangles, first triangle here we called it what, ABF, and the second triangle here you can write CDE. Okay, we have F right angle triangle. Okay, we have in two triangles here, the side line CD is equivalent to AB. He give me this information, and measure of angle E is equal to measure of angle F was 90 degree, and also he give me line segment CE equal to AF. Then this triangle EPF congruent triangle CDE, they are congruent. So the measure of angle, look at here, measure of angle, look at here, this angle CDE, measure of angle CDE is equivalent to measure of angle here, right, CDE. Now I will write APF. APF, they are equal in the measure, alternating angles. It's the inverse. Then we prove that now. Look at this angle P equal angle D, alternate angle, meaning what? It means DC will be equal to AB. And also he give me this information, they are equivalent, and CD was equal to AB. Then ABCD is a parallelogram. It's parallelogram. Okay, then this polygon we called it parallelogram. Okay, next question. Here he won't find arithmetic mean of this table. Do you know? It's easy method. You can raise a table and divide it for parts, find sets, frequency, and center it like this. About 4 parts. First part 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like this. And first write set X and frequency and the center of set, and product between frequency and the center. Set here 4 to 8 and 8 to 12 to 16, 20, and frequency was 12, 4, 8, 6, and 4. Center between 8 and 4, 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. He 8 all times 4. It will be 10, 14, 18. 18 plus 4 equal 22. 6 times 12 is 72. 4 times 10 is 40. 8 times 14. 4 times 8 is 32. Write 2 and they carry up 3. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 8, 8 plus 3 equal 11. 6 times 18. Okay, 6 times 8, 48. Write 8 and the carry of 4. 1 times 6, 6 plus 4 equal 10. 2 times 4 and 2 times 4. Then we can collect together by calculator here. 72 plus 40 plus 112 plus 108 plus 88. Result will be 420. Summation. Okay, and summation of frequency here 20. Then X bar equal 420 divided by 20. 4 divided by 2 equal 2, 2 divided by 2 1, then x bar it will be 21. Understood, my students? Okay, finish question. Next time I will complete with you. Okay, goodbye.